I think one of the most unsettling things in the entire universe is supervoids, and I want to give you an idea of just how empty these things are. The air around you right now is actually not empty at all. It contains about 10 trillion atoms per cubic meter. If you go about 100 kilometers above Earth's surface, the number of atoms drops to about 1,000,000 trillion. About a third of the way to the moon, there are about 7 million atoms. To get any lower than that, you have to leave the solar system and enter intergalactic space. That space between star systems, like our sun and Alpha Centauri for example, contains about 1,000 atoms per cubic meter. If you go out even farther and venture into the space between galaxies, there are about 10 atoms per cubic meter. That space is so incredibly empty, but even then, you're still part of an arm of a galactic supercluster that usually contains about 10,000 or so galaxies. Zoom out even further, and you'll see that all of these superclusters just sort of connect like arms of the universe, known as galactic filaments. Then you have everything else, the voids, the vast space between these massive arms of the universe made up of less than 1 atom per cubic meter, with just a whole lot of nothing. And to give you an idea, the biggest one is 330 million light years across.